What's up, Goddess Gang? Today we are back with another video, and I'm sorry for the delay, you guys. This is NailWind gel polish. I got this off of Amazon. I do have a discount code for you guys. It's 10% off. I will go ahead and leave the discount code down below. I think this is a good little kit if you want variety, because it has white, off-white, pink, like a baby pink, a baby blue, a silver glitter, and a purple glitter with iridescent. So the silver is like all silver, but the purple one has iridescent glitter, and it's not a super fine glitter, which is cool. I like that, because a lot of the glitter polishes are like super fine ones. This one actually is a little bulky, and it's a different look from a lot of the gel polishes I have seen lately. So I really like that. The versatility of this kit, you guys, is like OMG. And they don't have any names. They just have numbers. So you guys can see the numbers as we swatch. And there are 6 colors. So if you guys are interested in this, I will go ahead and leave the link down in the description box along with the 10% off discount code. And here we're just going to do a couple of we're going to bottle pull them, and we're going to swatch them. The one thing I really liked, because I did use these to create a set, so you guys are going to see that on a future video very soon. I created a Halloween themed nail set, and the one thing I really loved about the polish is that it some polishes self-level more than others, and some polishes you can add like a layer on top of a layer, kind of without carrying in between. I don't know. If you know, you know. You guys have heard me talk about it before. This is one of those polishes that self-levels and that you can kind of build it up a little, and it cures very well. I didn't have any nails that gave me trouble curing, or I didn't have a problem with the nails looking all wonky, because the self-level feature was very good. So I would say that these are really good for beginners.
Go.
Okay guys, so what are you thinking of the colors so far? Honestly, love them. I love the color palette of this collection. I feel like I feel like there are so many different looks that you can create simply with these colors alone. So I really love that. But a little update for you guys, a couple of updates. So I'm gonna be uploading again today. This is not gonna be my only upload. I am working on setting my Snapchat back up, because my account got locked on Snapchat, permanently locked, which means you cannot get it back. And it was because I was just spamming on there, because I want to get my Snapchat score pretty high so that I can become like one of those little influencers on there, but you know, every platform has their rules. So I made a new Snapchat and I'm going to be following the rules a little more closely, not spamming on there. So I do need you guys to go and add my new Snapchat. It's Goddess Nails CEO. So you can add me on Snapchat, subscribe to me on Snapchat, and then we can interact there. It's much more interactive. I really like it. I don't really like to be on Instagram as much for doing like daily posts throughout my day, or like vlogging style and stuff like that. I like it more for like marketing, advertising, you know, having a portfolio, engaging with other people who have similar interests, like with nails and stuff like that. I love to use Instagram to direct message you guys. So if you ever want to reach me, definitely direct message me on Instagram. That's the most reliable way to reach me. And that leads me to my next update, is that recently, actually yesterday, it was brought to my attention that there are imposters on Instagram who are acting like they're me, and they have other Instagram accounts that they're creating. And basically, they're trying to get your guys' personal information by telling you guys that maybe you have been selected to, work with brands, or that you've been selected to win a free giveaway and stuff like that. So definitely, guys, please be wary and be mindful, okay? I only have one Instagram. And look at these colors, you guys. I mean, literally, how could you not? They're so cute. Okay, guys, I'm sorry. I gotta go soon because the video is gonna end. But I love you guys so much. I'll talk to you on the next one. I'll be back in a little while. Bye.